How to access ClassDojo on web browser. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official ClassDojo website by typing classdojo.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Next, choose whether you are logging in as a student, teacher, parent, or school leader. Enter your registered email address and password associated with your ClassDojo account. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. After logging in, you will have access to all ClassDojo features right from your browser. Teachers can manage classroom, assign activities, and communicate with students, while students and parents can track progress, view feedback, and stay connected with the classroom. Make sure to allow notifications if prompted, so you never miss important updates or messages from your classes. The web version of ClassDojo offers almost all the functionality of the app, making it convenient to use on any device with an internet connection. Now you know how to access ClassDojo on web browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.